Hello everyone. Okay, in this video we've got two coloring sheets over here. One is Hello Summer. Summer doesn't mean summer break. It means like Hello Summer. It's like sunny weather. And over here we've got this cute keychain with a bunny here. I really liked it. That's why I printed it. Anyways, now I'm gonna bring a book to put the papers on them because when I color it will rip if there's no paper. So I'm gonna bring paper. What paper? I mean book. Sorry. Okay, let's first paint this because it's smaller. This has a lot of details, that's why a lot of stuff. Anyways, first I'm not gonna color with those colors, those old sticky, those old colors. I'm gonna color with my super new Mega art set I bought today. Back to school. Let's open it. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Look at it. I stick tape because when I always open it, it goes out. Anyways, ignore the missing colors because my siblings took them to color, and ignore this because I colored before 10 minutes ago. I colored the canvas. Anyways, now let's start. Oops. Anyways, ignore that. Now let's start. I'm gonna color with random colors, sometimes crayons. I'm gonna use all the kinds. First, let's start with using the markers kind, which is here. Let's flip to it like this. And what should we color first? I think I'm gonna color the rabbit's blush with pink. With this pink, it looks really nice. Let's remove it over here and color the rabbit's blush pink. Look, wow, it's so cute. It's turning out so cute. Anyways, now I just can put it back so it doesn't get lost. Close. See how I'm closing it? Like this. Now the second section is the oil pastel colors. If you didn't know, they're colors actually. I'm gonna color the hearts with this red, the dark red, not the light red, the dark red. I can remove this tape over here so I can remove the oil pastel small. Okay. Okay, now let's start with coloring the hearts over here. I'm gonna put it here, it's better. So you can see me coloring. Okay, let's color the hearts. Look at this. It's kind of hard to color with oil pastels because they're small. Look. Like this. Okay. Ignore the white spaces because it's hard. I don't know why. Okay, anyways, we're done now. Let's put it back in the set. And moving on to the crayon section. Over here, it's the crayon section. Okay, I'm going to color actually those dots. I'm going to color them with orange because they will look so nice with that color, the sunsetty color. Let's bring orange. Okay, let's color the dots now. Be careful not to break the crayon if you have one at home because they break easily. One time I was coloring so much hard, it broke actually. I just cried about it. And of course not this year, when I was 4 years old. I remember that. I still have a video of it, by the way. Anyways, we're not talking story right now, we're coloring. So, moving on to this section, which is the colored pencils, those. We did those. I'm gonna do them later. We did the crayons already and the oil pastels. I'm gonna now move on to this, as you know. The acrylic paint I'm not gonna use because it's like a coloring sheet, so it's not a canvas or something. Moving on to okay, I'm gonna color the hearts. Actually, I wanna color them purple with this purple. No, actually not the hearts. I'm gonna color the petals of the flowers with purple. Let's color like this. So satisfying to color with those with those colored pencils actually. Look like this. Color, continue. Like this. I have to be careful not to leave white spaces because the drawing will look ugly. Now let's color this. If you're watching this video for satisfaction only, it's okay. Because you don't have to color with me. You can print these sheets. I forgot what I wrote. Just write keychain, and over here you can write hello summer, but I didn't write that. I forgot what I wrote. Anyways, now let's return back to the markers section. And of course I'm going to use yellow so I can color the middle part of the flowers over here. Because it's of course yellow all the time. Okay, now let's color the hearts. I'm gonna use the markers 2 times actually. It's not cheating, what I want. To look more better with the markers. Let's color each heart with red over here. Look, not each heart, only those hearts. The other hearts? I don't know what about them. Look, so sets done. Over here, let's color this. Oops, the video's getting taller. How am I supposed to color the other one? I have to be fast. Like this. And this one, quick. And finally the last one. Let's color it fast as we can. Never have time. Okay, I think I'm going to no. Anyways, now I'm not gonna use the oil pastels. I didn't like using them because they're really small. Let's use the crayons to color this star yellow over here. Yellow, so mellow. Over here, this yellow. Let's color the star over here. Wow, so nice. But the edges of the stars, I'm gonna color them with another color, which is blue. I know I want a dark blue with this. I'm gonna use the crayons again to bring a dark blue over here from this dark blue. Remove it. Okay, now let's quickly color the edges of the star. We're not in a rush, but I want, because the video gonna get taller and then it's not be set like the other videos, the backpack video. I'm sorry I'm moving a lot because I don't know how to color if I don't move like this. Sorry, the paper is a little bit messy because it's filled with colors now. When I colored, look what happened. Anyways, now I'm gonna color this keychain over here. I'm gonna use the colored pencils to color with the purple. I'm gonna use the purple from the wheels to color this keychain over here. The hanging or something we hold with. Don't know its name. Like this. Color. So fun to color. Okay, over here, now I'm gonna color these parts. I think I'm going to color them all with this crayon, which is light blue. Ooh, no, what's happening over here? I didn't have time to organize my set. I don't have time. I organized it after the video, actually, not in the video. In the middle of something. I'm in the middle of something. I'm gonna color this blue too, and this. Over here now, I wish I only printed one because I can't color all of them at once. I'm gonna use the markers again to color. I'm just gonna color the bunny, leave it white. To color this, no, actually not the markers. I'm gonna use a beige color to color it because it looks so nice on the beige color. Like this, look. Told you to look really nice. Like this. So I'm coloring both sides, but because I really want this to end well. Look at this. Okay, done. Now I'm gonna color the circle with yellow of the markers over here. This. Sorry, I'm not being organized. I'm just after the video I do it, not in the video. Okay, it doesn't show, but it's okay. Now let's color this, the tummy of the bunny with this color. It's a light pink color because it looks so nice on bunnies. Look on the tummy of the bunny. Okay, now I'm gonna just color the bow and that's it. The bow has to be red with this crayon over here. Get it out. Oops. All the paper flowed. Okay, let's color it now like this with some red. And there's some like waves over here to color them as well with the bow. Look. I'm trying to not to keep white spaces because the drawing will be ruined. The coloring, I mean. Okay, hope you enjoyed this coloring. Now let's move on to this coloring. I'm not sure if this will take storage or not. Anyways, hello summer. I'm gonna start first with coloring the watermelon with this green, which is for the crayons over here. I'm gonna color this. I'm gonna color the crust of the watermelon over here with green. I'll make a part 2 for this because I'm scared it's not gonna end well. Bye. I'm gonna make part 2. Don't worry, the same day.